In this part, we are going to talk about ternary operator in PHP. It is a short and simple way to write an if-else statement. For example, previously when we write an if and else statement, we write it like this. First, we start with the if, then our condition, and if the condition is true, then the true block could get executed. Otherwise, the else block code will get executed. Now, if we want to convert this if into a single line ternary operator, we can just remove the if and keep our condition, the true block and the false block. Then we have to move them like this. First condition, then question mark, then what to do if condition is true, and if condition is false, what to do. So it's a simple one line if else statement. Now let's see it in the action. So let's start with a basic example. For example, in here I have a variable is log n and I will set it to true. Now to check this, I will just echo and I will type my ternary condition or operator in here. First, I will type my condition. For example, $sign is log n. If it's true, if this is true, then my true condition or what I want to do if it's true. So I want to say it's true. But if this condition is false, in that case, I want to say it is false. Now I get it, it's true, or let's type it here. It is true. But if I change this condition to false, I will get this section of the ternary operator. So for the first one after the question mark, this is the true part, and after the colon, it's the false part. Now let's see it with another example. So let's comment this to, and in here let's type $sign age is equal to 20. Now I can type echo if $sign age greater or equal to 18, then type you are old. Else display you are young. Now, since our age is 20, I am getting you are old. But if I change it to, for example, 10, I will get you are young, because this condition will be false and this section of the operator will get executed. Same, let's create one more example to understand it much better. So let's say $sign user name is equal to empty string. Now to check this, if the username exists, then display this, otherwise display something else. So we can type echo if $sign username exists or available, then no need to add anything. We can just display hello user name. Okay, let's put it into double quotations. And if the username is empty, show hello guest. Now, as you guys can see, I got hello guest because my username does not have any string in it. If I type my name here, I will get hello Raufi. So this is ternary operator. First, you will type your condition, then your true statement, what to do if it's true, and after that colon and your else statement.